Kapila Kathi Kebab Corner, one of the best outlets for the rolls in Pune. The staff is courteous and even their service is quite quick. Mr. Shakil Sheikh and his team has actually done a great job in 2 decades. While the original side outlet has since moved to a more crowded location just across the road of Kapila Business Hotel, it's in the Dollar Patel Road area just next to the station. And the most important thing to watch is the open sizzling hot tawa, and on which the chicken is fried and is one's eyesight. We'll take care of that. Way to go, Kapila. It's like Bollywood's iconic hero Amitabh Bachchan. At the time that old star was giving over to new boys, it's an apt fit for Kapila Kebab's reputation. Where it stands today, compared with more modern and glitzy fast food joints, this is one of the best pick for chicken rolls. And the mantra has always been rolls, rolls, and more rolls. The street food joint at its best. Be it simple and affordable for all customers who walk in, be it offices, be it collegians, be it bachelors living along, and walk-ins craving for more. That's about it. Let's go and watch how they make the food here. What you see is what you get. That's why it is called quick service. What's being served here is being made in front of you so that customer can actually vouch on the quality of food served. The roti with egg on it, be it single or double, and the chicken which is put on the roti depending on the order given by the customer, be it single or double again, is being served in front of them. Served with onion and chutney over it, and then put some salt and pepper to make it so simple to serve that you can actually make it at home. But the aspect which we need to look into is the decade-old system of Kapila Kathi Kebab. It's been served in such a way that people love to come here at any point of time in the evening. Be it officials or collegians, doesn't matter. What you get in return is the best kebab rolls in Pune. So come along and ensure that you eat here once in a while because it's reasonable and at right quality. Do ensure to subscribe to our channels because more is coming your way in future. Subscribe and like please. Have a lovely day ahead.